All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be showing you the easiest way to replace your kitchen floodlights, your entertainment room floodlights, whatever you have, recessed lighting. These exact same ones linked in the description box below. These are 75W 2700K soft white, and we really like these 850 lumens floodlights. What's nice about these is that they are nice and warm. Not those blue ones. I'm not knocking you if you do like those blue ones. But it definitely does not feel like a hospital. It's nice and bright and light, and it feels very homey. So we had these ones in here. We had some mercury ones as well. I'm going to show you that. And then we had some LED ones as well. But these ones are doing an absolutely fantastic job, and they're so easy to install. You can literally do one in minutes. This one we're going to be replacing here. That is the mercury one, the mercury light bulb. And these are the ones that have already been replaced. And I'm not sure if my Samsung phone is picking that up, but that looks very, very beautiful. See, you can see the composition between these two right here. See how that one is a little bit less? This one is nice and bright and warm as well. So now we're going to be showing you the easiest way to literally, the old ones pop out, and these are literally plug and play with these little springs right here. We're gonna go ahead and show that to you now. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, so what you're gonna do is you are going to first take the bulb out. So go ahead and remove your bulb there. And then what these are is you're gonna go ahead and remove the springs from the old can lights. They're gonna drop down. Yours might be chrome black or this type of finish right here. These are the older ones here. They're attached by little springs. Unclip those springs and it will go ahead and drop down. Obviously remove your bulb first. And then the new ones, it depends if you have hooks or springs, they will be the exact same, being able to clip in. Very easy, as they literally are gonna go up, spring out, and then they're gonna hold in place. You might have to twist them slightly to get them to hold, but let's go ahead and show you now. All right, we've turned off the lights so that we, just in case we don't get electrocuted here. Now you're gonna look up in here and you're gonna see those little springs there after the light bulb is taken out. See those right up there? And there's gonna be one on the other side. We're just gonna go ahead and, I'm gonna have to use two hands, but I'm gonna remove that spring from that little hook on both sides, and it will literally just drop straight down. Like that there. See, there's the hook where it is. Very simple, just put your hand up in there. You have two hooks, and go ahead and recycle those or give them to somebody else for a remodel. That is gonna screw into your lamp first, like a normal light bulb, and then you have your wiring here. And then all we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use these springs with two hands. We're gonna pinch these springs together as we insert it up into the old canister hole. And you, again, might have to twist just slightly, and then it will stay in place. Now, if you do have newer canisters, there might be clips inside that these would clip into, but these ones are a little bit older. So again, we're just gonna screw it into the bulb right there, and then we're gonna insert these springs in, rotate slightly to make sure it's flush with the roof, and we're gonna be looking good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it's screwed in up here, dangling right here. And then you're just gonna grab both of your springs like this. You're gonna push them in so that they can all insert into the canister. You're gonna go straight up with it, and you might have to slightly bend, as you can hear that little twist there. We're gonna go ahead and twist there. See how you heard a click? We turned it right and we turned it left. We heard a click here. We turned it left counterclockwise. We heard a click over here as well. Now it's completely flush with our kitchen roof here. And that is how we insert it. And it's so simple and easy. Again, look in the description box below for these exact same ones, guys. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe on the way out. It's been a pleasurable experience. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.